We're in passage 3. This is a data passage on test 67C. In our DRC approach, data means don't read. You can do a quick overview, orienting yourself to the passage, and then get directly to the questions. So in this passage, you'll see there's a table that deals with cosmic ray flux, cover of low clouds. We have a key that has RCRF. Assume that's defined up here. Here it is, in case you need it. Monthly average, monthly cover of clouds. It looks like these are high clouds, so it looks like the same thing here except for middle clouds and low clouds. So just 3 different stratus of clouds. Our approach to the questions is the R&R approach. So you're going to read the question and then reread the question. So in your first reading, you're just trying to understand what it's asking, kind of orienting yourself, skimming, if you will. And then your reread, you're really breaking it down step by step. So as we go through it, I'm going to be doing the reread part. Already read it. Hopefully you've already read it and we're rereading. If you haven't read it before we start, pause the video and read it before we start. Question number 13, the percent of Earth's surface covered by high clouds. So put your finger on that, find it. So you see it in figure 1. And in January 1987, so make sure you have the right year. So 87 is there, it's closest to what? And so where it hits the monthly average is at 13.5, so B. Based on table 1, put your finger on table 1. Cosmic ray flux, so there's the cosmic ray flux of 440,000 particles, so it's increasing by 20 each time to get to 440, would correspond to a cover of low clouds. It's the cover of low clouds closest to what? So it's increasing by 0.3 every time. So this is a direct correlation, so 29.3 or H. Is the statement the monthly average of low clouds, so there's the monthly average of low clouds, put your finger on it, more correlated with cosmic ray flux than the monthly average of high clouds? So we want to look at the dotted line and the straight line and see, are they in line together? So low clouds, they trend together. High clouds, they do not trend together. So they're not correlated in high clouds as closely as they are in low clouds. So the answer would be yes, they are correlated. And then why? Is it A or B? And it says in choice A, the low clouds are more closely paralleled. So the answer is A. Which of the following figures best represents the monthly average of high, middle, and low clouds? We're looking at each chart, high, middle, and low, for January 1992. So look at January 92 in each of the charts. And so then let's see the monthly average for each one. For high, it's 13.5. Middle, it's about 20. And low, it's 28. So the lowest one should be high clouds, which we see in choice G. And we also see it in J, but then we have middle clouds and low. So high, middle, low is the order it should go in, so G. High clouds are composed primarily of ice crystals. Low clouds are composed primarily of water. The difference is most likely because the average air temperature at altitudes from, you're explaining it now, so you're explaining why. So you have knowledge here that water freezes at 0 degrees Celsius. And you can use logic and say the higher up, that means the colder it is. Or you can go to the chart, the reading, 0 to 3 kilometers is low clouds, 6 to 16 is high clouds. So 0 to 3 would have to be above 0, that's where water freezes, whereas 6 to 16 is below. Oh, so you do need that 6 to 16. It's not just higher, because middle clouds are 3.2 to 6. So D.